Rainfall Warning Issued at Tuesday 4:40 a.m. April 1st, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description: Rain, heavy at times, is expected. Locations: Nova Scotia. Total rainfall: 25 to 50 millimeters. Time span: and Tuesday afternoon. Hashtag. Heavy downpours can cause flash floods and water pooling on roads. Localized flooding in low-lying areas is possible. Rainfall warnings are issued when significant rainfall is expected. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to nstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using hashtag NSStorm.